And this girl here, she's so smart. You know, they are not coming from one family, same family. It's very hard to talk. So they are selling this candle for $20, 20 peso, right?
Yes.
So you say that I will put it. All this here. All this. You say how much you make profit for?
It depends because candle is very expensive in the Philippines. But if you make it, then it will have no expensive. You know that.
So you bought it somewhere and you sell it.
Yeah.
You bought
No,
for-
we made it. We made it.
You made this?
Yeah, we made this. My mother made that.
Your mother made
Yes,
this
yes.
from home?
Yeah. We buy this, then we buy this color too. Then we made that candle.
Here is the story. Now I just find something strange here. So the mother of this girl here makes this at home.
Yeah, made
And
this.
then they will give to this kid here to sell.
No, they have their own they buy too.
They buy from you.
No,
Their parents,
different parents.
they make them.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is my brother though.
No,
This is my brother.
That's your brother?
Yeah, then where's my brother too? There you wearing jacket.
How old are you?
I'm 14, turning 15 this September.
Oh, this September.
Yeah, September 30.
Oh, so we're gonna buy it. And that is 200 pesos.
Yeah.
Make them happy. Okay. So I asked her and I said, who can I give the money to distribute to others? She said, me, her. Because she's more trusted more than anybody. And she seems serious. So let's do this with the candy. Let's go to give to those people there. Yeah.
Or some other people.
Yeah, let's give to these people. Yeah. One. Hey, Po. Yeah, we bought the candles, then we just gave them there. Really good. A strong story here that really touched me. So her dad passed away when she was 3 months, and they're selling candles. One of the relatives will go on the street the other way there. That's the way I was doing when I was younger. I remember when my mom raised us, we will go to sell in different streets, and that's what is happening with her here. She's so fluent in English. She speaks good English more than me.